Hey everybody, Sam Wilson here with 1-800-UNLOCKS, Professional Locksmith Directory. I am here to do a special unboxing of Pulsar Halo. It's a DIY home security system, and I'm unboxing this one because there's a couple of really great things about this system compared to some other ones on the market. Number one, this Pulsar Halo does not require any long-term contracts. I know a lot of home security systems on the market these days, sometimes trying to get you to sign up for a 3-5 year contract. This system only requires a 1-year contract up front. So right from the get-go, you are able to have a lot more freedom. Also, this system is great when it comes to, you can use it at your home, apartment, condo. It works well with a variety of home types. Additionally, the other thing that I really like about Pulsar Halo is the security encryption. Unlike a lot of other programs out there on the market that are DIY, Pulsar Halo has enhanced encryption, which further secures your video feed. So, you're protected there as well. So without further ado, let's get into it. I should mention that this is a starter kit, which is also very low cost. In addition to only requiring that first year up front, Pulsar Halo's starter kit is only $199. And with that, we are going to get several products. So let's go through it together. I'm just going to go ahead and take these out of the box first and get this cardboard out of the way. We get a lot of different products for only $199. That's everything. Okay, so you get your setup guide. Another thing that's actually really great about this, it is DIY, but the guys at Pulsar Halo are going to offer you a DIT system, which is stands for Do It Together. So as soon as you get it and open it up at your house, you're not going to have to struggle through it by yourself. It is meant to be very easy to install and set up, but their customer service is just a phone call away, and they will help you get this set up and make sure it's all done right. So firstly, we have the Smart Hub. So this is the part that handles all of the communication. It's your security panel. This is the touchpad where you can actually review and see all your camera feeds. And then we also have window sensors. So we get 3 window sensors, 1 motion sensor, and then I did go ahead and opt for the additional smoke alarm, and I believe this is a carbon monoxide detector. So the Pulsar Halo can actually connect, I want to say, to 95 additional Z-Wave enabled products, such as smart locks, motion detectors, window sensors, smoke detectors, carbon monoxide, as I said. So overall, you get a lot of security for your hard-earned dollars. And then from a billing perspective on the monitoring, this system is $39.99 per month. And if you would like to have camera video feed as well, it is only an extra $7.99. So from what I understand, that is very competitive. There's some places where there are some markets where it's a little bit more expensive, some markets where it's a little bit less expensive. I think it's a nice middle ground as far as home security systems go. All right, now that we've got everything out of the box, let's go ahead and open up the boxes, the individual boxes. What we have here is an Alula Professional Smart Security Slimline touchpad. It's actually got a 7-inch screen. Let me open this and show you guys the size of this. It's huge. It's massive. Also, here is our secure link hub. Very slim, very lightweight. This is what's going to connect your system to the internet. And this is where the team at Pulsar Halo comes in. So if you have any questions whatsoever, reach out to them. And as soon as you get it, they will help you set this up, provision it, and get it all connected. Additionally, we've got our plug and play smoke alarm. So this is going to go in your bedrooms and wherever else recommended by fire code in your area. So this will just mount to your ceiling, battery operated, Z-Wave enabled device. Let's put that over here. Let's open up the next box. Carbon monoxide detector, very important for any family, especially with young kids and pets. And over here we have zone 1, 2, and zone 3. These are door and window sensors. So if anybody opens a door, leaves a door ajar, opens a window, these things are going to let you know that, that there's an issue, that something is not secure. So very important. And lastly, we have here is our very tightly secured motion sensor. So these are going to mount somewhere on a wall, high up, and they'll be able to get a good view of a given room, either potentially like your front entryway, your back door area, somewhere in case somebody does happen to come in that's maybe didn't expect. This is going to pick up their motion and alert you on your tablet. And again, this is the tablet right here. This is going to connect everything together and give you a nice 50,000-foot overview of your security system. If you have any questions about Pulsar Halo or you're interested, please click the link below in the description where you can visit and shop online, see the variety of products that will connect to the system. And as soon as you do order it, you'll get the box just like this. If you have any questions or would like to know more, please drop a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you happen to need any locksmith services across the country, don't forget 1-800-UNLOCKS.com. You simply call the toll-free number. We are a professional network of pre-screened, pre-vetted locksmiths. I myself am a licensed locksmith in Virginia. I'm an ALOA registered member. ALOA stands for the Associated Locksmiths of America. They do their research, they verify who they allow into their association as well. And thank you again so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.